The court was told, you must bring this little bird, whose simple true song is the sweetest ever heard. They searched the forests where the green trees did grow, and found the small singer that made the courtiers glow. Oh, the nightingale sings through the night. No crown, no gold can match its light. No gilded cage, no price, no name. Just a fragile song that heals our pain. It sings for all, both rich and poor, the heart of nature, true and pure. The emperor cheered, the bird was brought inside, and sang its heart out with nothing left to hide. But then arrived a gift from Japan shore, a mechanical nightingale they all adored, with clockwork wings and gems upon its chest. It sang one tune, it passed the emperor's test. The real bird fled unseen into the wild, forgotten quickly by the court, deceived and beguiled. The nightingale sings through the night. No crown, no gold can match its light. No gilded cage, no price, no name. Just a fragile song that heals our pain. It sings for all, both rich and poor, the heart of nature, true and pure. Years flew by, the clockwork toy wore out its spring, and then came death with his cold, heavy wing. The emperor lay pale, the palace grew so cold. He begged for music, a story to be told. But in the dark, a gentle sound arose. The real nightingale, he turned to ease his woes. It sang of meadows, of kindness and of grace, chasing death away and lighting up the place. He learned a deep truth, that artifice is vain. The heart's quiet love will conquer any pain. The nightingale, he turned to sing its humble plea. Let me come and go and sing for you for free. The emperor agreed, and peace was finally found, with the smallest, truest voice upon the royal ground.